Hello, welcome to another part of my life. My birds, budgies, Australian parrots. 16 numbers are there, 11 female and 5 males. Now that I have 2 chicks and another one 3 chicks, I'm shooting it from outside the cage. Some are enjoying, some are frightened, some are confused, some are angry also. You can see they are sitting in different places wherever they are comfortable. This is a two mother nest. Two mothers are simultaneously laying egg and incubating. This is new edition. This is a lovebird, very shy, sitting inside the nest and peeping through. Another day we will make a full video. These birds, white one, the male one, another this blue one, also the male one. You can know them from their big color. Incubating, actually it needs 16 days. The egg needs 16 days to be hatched. The chick will come then. This is an old video. Actually this bird is a male one and now it has become father. 2 chicks from him I will show you in the later part of the video. As it was a single chick, single child, his parents made him feed very well, and he is now the most strong and agile bird in the cage. Strongest one in the cage. As it happens to be a single child. Actually, they lie 4-5. They hatch 4-5 chicks, but as the gap is 2 days, in every chick born after 2 days. Suppose they give 5 chicks, then the older one, the younger one, the gap will be 10 days. In 10 days is a bigger gap. The older child will, you can see, all the chicks are 2 days gap. 3 chicks are there, and I will show you. This one. This one is a newborn. You can say 1 day old. So it will be difficult for the younger one to survive, as the older chick will snatch food from their parents. They need to eat in every 1 or 2 hours. So younger one will, it is not possible for their parents also to reach to the younger one. They will feed, but they will struggle to feed, and the younger one will also struggle to get food. So normally what happens, younger ones very rarely survives. Actually 1 or 2 chicks is ideal. Another nest, 3 eggs are there. It will be hatched. This one, younger one, all its siblings. I have cleaned the nest, as they will excrete regularly. They will eat regularly and excrete regularly. It need to be cleaned in every 2-3 days. Otherwise, bacteria will be there and chances of infection is very high. All are cornered. They are confused by the presence of camera. They have moved, all of them have moved to the corner. These are 2 chicks. Their eyes are open. Actually this white white layer, feather layer, it is an indicator of their healthy growth. If it will be white, completely white, then it is assumed here these two birds are the chicks of the bird I have shown earlier, his children. We cannot guess the sex of these birds. It needs at least 2 months to know what are the sex of this bird. But now they are chicks. As I have cleaned the nest, I have put them in the floor so that they will try to creep, crawl, and they are doing so. Other birds are very much enthusiastic to see them in open. These birds incubating over 4 eggs, very angry, is not at all liking the presence of camera, the proximity of camera. These nest, two mother, they are jointly laying egg and incubating. She is angry, she is shouting, not liking. Actually, one chick is there. It was hatched one day before, but he is not showing it. She is covering it from camera. Shall not disturb. Will not disturb. She is shouting. These are fresh eggs. After 16 days, chicks will come out. Now the chicks are put in the nest again after cleaning the nest. Next mother, another mother, she is also not angry, happy.